Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to solve a network optimization problem. To be particular, we are going to solve an airport optimization problem. So this is the optimization problem. We have so many airports and we need to determine a path so that a airline, say one airline is going to travel from JX to Dallas Fort Worth Airport. So we need to find the shortest path so that someone can travel from one airport to another. So for this one, here is the simple steps that we need to follow in our Python code. So we are going to import the library and then import the dataset, import the dataset of this network, and then we need some sort of processing, because if we see the dataset, so this is our dataset. So in our dataset, we need to process, okay? Then we are doing some sort of Python things and we will find the shortest path. So let's move to the code. Okay, this is our Python code to solve that airlines network optimization problem. We need to import the necessary libraries, and then of course we need to import the dataset. So here's the raw form of our dataset. This one is a raw form of the dataset. So we need to import this file in Python. And then we need some processing, some sort of processing. For example, in the data we have year, month and day, but we need a time, right? So here we have time 18:07, but we need in hour and minute, so we need some processing here. And here origin and destination, we also need only 3 unique values of origin. So how can we obtain that? We can see we have only 3 unique values. So basically we have only 3 origins in our network. Here in this network we have only 3 origins from where every travel will happen. So once we obtained the preprocessed data, here this data is preprocessed data. Once we obtained the preprocessed data, we start building our network. So as usual, we import the network X, and in this line of code, we are building our network. We have our data. Okay, let me show you the documentation. In the pandas documentation, we can see for the network, these are the parameters. So first one is data frame, then source, target, age attribute, and create using something. So we have some parameters, input parameters here for this class. And in our case, sources are the origin in the dataset, target are the dest column in the Excel file. Now we are defining our node and edge, and we are drawing the diagram. If I run this line of code, it will produce this network. So we have obtained our network, but we need to solve that problem, right? We need to find the shortest path between these 2 airports for a particular airlines. For that reason, In the network X, we are importing algorithm of degree centrality. If you can remember from my previous video, we have algorithms. Okay, we can show it here as well. Network X. Algorithms, and then what? Degree centrality. Additionally, we need to calculate some other parameters. So we import everything that is needed to draw the shortest path. After that, we are calculating all of the path in this for loop. So we can see once we print path, we obtained all these paths. From our dataset, these are all of the paths that we can avail. After that, we are finding this shortest path. This extra path, we know this is a network optimization model. So applying this extra path, we obtained here this one. So this is the list. So you can see we have 5 values here. So the shortest path is calculated here